That's the second day of CPHI, and on here it's the Alcami stand is Stacey Williams. Thank you to Stacey. Says, I know Alcami very well. For the benefits of those who don't, and excuses. Don't anybody you?
Sure. So Alcami has been around for 45 years. We have three core businesses: drug product manufacturing, which includes sterile fill finish and oral solid dose; our laboratory services, core of hard being analytical testing, formulation development. And something really unique for a CDMO, we do storage, so bio storage, pharma storage, and services like calibration and validations.
Well, the trouble is I said the question because I noticed the brand you said, unique CDMO. That was unique about you, but produce storage as well.
I think that is the unique part. I think part of what we really want to stress is the beyond expectations branding, which means everything we do, our experts, our subject matter experts, they're involved. From the project management team to the scientists that work every day, we want to make sure we exceed all of your expectations for your product.
Right. How's business at the moment? Some CDMOs have been booming since as long as they've been around, really. I sometimes wonder how long can this go on.
Well, I think there's always going to be a demand. We all have heard the talk here about Catalan and Novo and what's happening and the demand for sterile fill finish. And because we play in that space, we're continuing to get so many proposals. Yeah, I don't want to say it's a cast off from Catalan, but I think there's a question mark of who's going to be my partner in the long term. And we're absolutely there for that opportunity.
Do you have any expansion plans to address the need for fill finish, or did any other fields?
Well, we have capacity on our lines, a little bit of capacity. So first come, first serve. I know there's a great demand. Where we are expanding is in our storage. So in the United States, we just opened a storage facility on the West Coast in Reno, Nevada. We have one in New England, and we have one in the Southeast in North Carolina in the U.S. And what's beautiful about that is it has cryogenic storage, ultra freezer storage, and cold and ambient. So these drugs that are being developed, the really special conditions, not just cold chain for supply chain, but just storing them after you're making them. So we are around the hubs of biotech and pharma, and so that's really where we wanted to expand to make sure we were able to offer that service.
Because the APIs are getting that much more complex, so they gotta be handled that much more carefully.
Like cell banks, the liquid nitrogen, all of these different drugs, these personalized medicines, they need their own individual handling and specifications. It's very different than even 10 years ago.
Yeah, interesting. How's CPHI going for you? What kind of companies do you see? You just stand.
It's awesome. This is my first try. People warned me, but it probably could prepare me for how grand this all is. The booths have been awesome. Our team, our business development team has meetings back to back to back. So many people interested in what we have. A great show, a little chaotic, but I think that just goes with the territory. So you're trying to embrace it, yeah.
Thanks very much for your time.
Yeah, thank